This week's Topic Tuesday is about the favourite collection that you own or that you want to own. I don't really collect collections as such. In fact, I only own 2 complete collections, and both of those are very small collections. Nevertheless, this is my favourite collection that I own, and it's the F.U.N Lacquer magnetic multi-chrome polishes that they brought out for their 4th anniversary. So we have got Harmony, Incredible, and Believe. They come in these gorgeous, subtly holographic boxes. So what I'll do now is I'll take you through each one of the polishes, and I'll give you some tips that I've found useful in using these polishes. So this one is Harmony, and the first trick with using magnetic polishes is to make sure that you give them a really good shake before you use them, so you get the magnetic particles distributed through the polish itself. The next thing I found is that all of these polishes apply best over a black. So here we have Harmony. It's not going to show up very well on the camera. I always try to do fairly thin coats and then apply the magnet straight away, holding it over the polish for at least 30 seconds. There you have the magnetic effect. Now over time this will gradually disperse again and won't be such a straight thin line, but there is a tip as well to stop it from dispersing too much if you don't want it to. I'm going to pop another light on, see if I can get this to show up a bit better. It gives you a bit better idea of the colour of this polish. So this one is Incredible. You see it's got that lovely shift from gold through to green, through to red. Again, a bit difficult for you to see initially the colour because of how dark it is and over the black. Again, apply the magnet and hold for 30 seconds. And there you have the magnetic effect on that one. Finally, we have Believe, which is more of a pink to purple, but also has a gold shift in it as well. You can see in the bottle there. There you have the magnetic effect on that one. So there you can see the colours and the magnetic effect on all 3 of these polishes. So you can apply a second coat of the polish and apply the magnet again, but I find that with the black base you don't really need to. But what you will find though is when you apply the top coat, it will reduce the magnetic effect a bit. So what you have to do is use the magnet again as the top coat is drying. If you use a super quick drying top coat, it will hold the magnetic effect a bit better and stop it from dispersing. So if you want that really nice straight line effect, then use a quick drying top coat. If you like the more dispersed effect, then use a slower drying top coat. So I'll do the other two and then I'll come back. So here we have Harmony. Incredible. And Believe. There you have it, the favourite collection that I own.